probably end up back at.
You talking about, oh, yesterday?
Yeah.
I always feel weird coming back sometimes, though. I don't know. Nah, I'll probably send you by yourself.
Today would have been the day to yard. I mean, today's a much cooler day to yard sale.
Yeah?
So yesterday was hot by this time.
Oh. I thought it looked like that metal one we had gotten.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning. I'm so
Beautiful day.
Yeah, it is. If it could only be like this every day.
Yeah, we take a year or two of this. Morning.
Good morning, sir. Mm-hmm.
Adios.
Oh.
Adios. 5 stars. Adios. There you go. Adios. There you go. No, I made a crap of the gal. Daddy said no to Duncan. Adios. Bye. Bye, baby. Adios, Starry.
Hey, what do you think of these? I know you got for me 8, but...
Okay, bye. 2, 1, bye. It's up to you.
Take a closer look at them. Weren't you just talking about these? No.
If you would like these, go for it.
Are they the British ones?
I don't know.
What I was asking.
I don't know.
Prettiest weather we ever had for a yard sale.
Yeah, we lucked out, huh?
Usually it rains the one day that we have it.
Doesn't it figure?
Well, did you want to get a dog?
You're my big mouth baby.
Didn't want you to forget about him. I'm in here.
She just wants to be with you.
Uh-huh.
She's a lovebird.
I got one of those too.
You just want to be loved.
You have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you so much.
See anything? Yeah.
Really. Kind of on the lookout for giraffe stuff.
Oh, for Starry.
Starry says, bring me back something giraffe.
Yeah. Yeah. Those are gonna be like so collectible as years go by. Years to come. Oh my gosh, yes. This is weird how it works.
I'm going to sneeze.
Why don't you take Claritin?
We should have just brought her along. Yes, sir. No, we're not going to the pool today. I have a lot of stuff to do though, honey. We have to put together the next pool show. And Faye has to make the cake, remember? No, We'll see. Okay, we'll see. Okay. You're right. Okay, one. Here. She said count to 3 and she hung up after the first one.
Yeah. Hey, this is for you, Laura.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1. Oh, 3, 2, 1.
You get the money, or you?
I do.
Yeah.
What are you buying?
See?
Oh, I don't have anything smaller than a 5.
Okay. How much are these, ma'am?
You can have them.
I'll give you $1 for them, man. You sure?
You can have them.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good one, ma'am.
That's a beautiful. Were you ever out to see that?
No, I haven't been further than Indiana.
Yeah, that's beautiful. If you ever get a chance to get out to see it.
Yeah.
It's on our list. Our kids are still kind of small, and I'm not sure that we're ready for a road trip quite yet.
Yeah. My dream is to have a camper. I just want to, when I retire, I just bounce around the country.
That's the way to go in a camper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I just got to make it. All right. Thank you.